Alright guys, hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my video, another beautiful video guys. We are here in our village and today we are building the chicken coop. Okay, so you can see I'm already sweating already. As you can see, we have a bit of blocks over here, so we're actually excited. This is our last part of blocks. Hope there will be enough to actually finish the whole structure. But we are here and I'm actually going to start my video from here today. Yes guys, a beautiful day in our African village here. So yeah, that's our little cottage where we're living, and on this other side there's a field of maize, a small field of maize actually, that we planted. Okay, and here we have some Cuban palm trees, Cuban royal palm trees. These are the ones we planted here. Okay, so yeah, let's take you guys to the construction site. I'll actually show you how it is. On this other side we actually also planted a bit of some fruit trees. For those that are watching this video for the first time, my name is Samson, the roadman, and we're here in our village guys. And yeah, so this is our orange tree over here. There's another one, but I love this one because it's, you know, this is fresh leaves that are just born. You know, it was somewhere here, but you can see it has already extended itself by some centimeters, some good centimeters. And on this other side as well, we planted some sweet potato. This is a ridge of sweet potatoes going down around the wall fence, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I also planted a bit of maize as well in it. Okay, so this is what we have here. But on this other side, we have this is some small oranges called nuts. I think they're called nuts, orange nuts. Yes, this is the one here. We have the lemon one. This is the lemon, or lemon over here. It's also started. So, but there's this, I don't know what this is. Seems, maybe it needs to be sprayed or something. Yeah, this is our lemon. You can hear some birds guys, some birds are fighting. Or is it mating season? You can see, there they go. Oh, it's mating season guys. Yeah, so that's exactly what is happening there. Okay, so I've dug a bit of this pit so that I can throw some vegetables, some leftover vegetables. Maybe we can have some manure from this one. Okay, but on this other side, this is where we're building our chicken coop, a small poultry house right over here. So I've started the works. Guys over here. I was just mixing this cement. Oh guys, it's a very hard job. I have a small lintel which I put yesterday, and actually today I started by putting this lintel on the window over here. This is where I've put another lintel for the window. Yeah, so we'll wait for this one to dry. That's when we're going to move to the other side. It's very expensive to buy like timber here, so you can see we're moving step by step. We put the other lintel yesterday, and on the other side we filled that part. I'm later going to show you. So today I'm just putting this one. Okay, and then I'll start building on this other side. This is, I was doing the, what do you call it again, on this side, shuttering here. You remember guys, we talked about this one. We've finally done the shutting, and this is how it looks. So now we've reinforced these two walls. They're more like one, you know. So yeah, this is our work. We're going to finish it up on the other side. Even here actually, I'm going to put some concrete here so that we reinforce the two walls again, our neighbor's wall and ours on this side. Okay, So otherwise this is how it looks. So it's good that we had a bit of rains, yeah, about an hour ago. So this is going to be strong, like very strong. But I want to continue building on top. I need to add 2 more courses on top there. So that's where I'm actually going to start my work today. So watch this video from start to the end. And if you're new here, my name is Samson, guys, and I do travel videos, I do real estate videos, as well as farming content. So if you like these 3 things, actually, please remember to subscribe. You're actually on the right channel. Subscribe, turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I do post a new video, you guys won't miss any single of my upload. Okay, so let's go. We build today and see how far we're actually going to go. Okay, right guys, let me give you the last update for the day today. Just show you what we're able to do today. Yes guys, okay, we are right in the village, guys. So today we put this lintel over here, and we've actually reached the, this is how far we're actually going to go all around this. So this is the last course that we've done there. You can see the last course. So I've added these 2 on top. The 2 courses, those are the ones that I'm just from building. So right here, guys, building, you know, right in our village here. The last course. And I'm also going to pour more concrete over here so that we reach that far, you know. So I'm very excited, very happy about how neat I've done the works here. At least I didn't expect that I would actually be this good, but I think it's okay. And those that have seen the works are saying, wow, it is okay. Yes, and it is actually okay. So now we have quite a lot of works that will need to be done inside. Of course, tomorrow when this one dries up, we are actually going to build on top of this. On top of this, this is it will be dry by tomorrow, so we can add 2 courses on top. You know, 2 courses on top of this. Then that will be it. And then tomorrow also we are going to put the lintel all over this window, on top of this window. We're going to add the lintel. Yes, and maybe I can also start backfilling this, because yeah, we're going to backfill the whole lot of this. We are supposed to go all the way up to, this is the 3rd course. This is our 3rd course, guys. So we're going to fill it with soil, and then we compact it so that whenever it's going to rain, we're going to have a good compacted surface, and then we should be able to pour the concrete over here, you know. So at least it's high enough so the chickens can be running around here. But if you guys, others were saying we make holes over there for air, or is it for aeration or air circulation or something like that, over here we can still make some holes into this wall, you know. We can make some holes here, there, like that. Yeah, we can still do that. But otherwise, this is it, and I love what we've been able to do today, guys. Hopefully tomorrow this side we can actually finish. When it goes all the way to that level, then it's roofing. That is the next thing. Actually, roofing may be done in 1 day. In 1 day, guys, 1 day. Yeah, so yeah, we're very excited here. Very excited, actually. All right, so I think I'm actually going to end my video from here today. The sun is settling. You can see the beautiful African sunset. settling over there, guys. And the maize, we had a bit of rains. This is the reason why actually I've only managed to put those 2 lines up. Otherwise our works were disturbed. I stopped at some point and had to take shelter because it was raining with a lot of wind, you know. So yeah, I had to stop. But otherwise, thank you guys. The maize, you can see it's smiling a little bit because of that rain which actually came. But yeah, after 2 weeks without rains here, but it had finally remembered us, and we had some good rains. So thank you so much guys, for those that have been watching this video up to this far, and I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Take care of yourselves. I'm ending my video from here today. Remember, the channel is all about farming content, real estate, and traveling. So yeah, maybe you can see some of my videos about the Nchwala traditional ceremony that will be taking place this month of February, I think on the 26th, 27th. So yeah, make sure that you check out all those videos and a lot of other videos on my channel, guys. So remember to like this video and subscribe if you have just bumped into this video. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Take care of yourselves, guys.